Hi everyone, you're welcome. So today I just want to do something basic, that is to convert 1 gram per centimeter cube to kilogram per cubic meter. This is something basic, so let's just do it. First of all, we know that 1 kilograms gives you 1000 grams. 1 kilogram, 1000 grams. So obviously, when you divide both sides by 1000, 1 gram will give you 0.001 kilograms. Or if you put it in the standard form, that gives you 10 to the power negative 3 kilograms. Negative 3 kilograms. Also, okay, once cm, or let's say a centi is 1 divided by 100, right? Or 0.01. So 1 centimeter will give you 0.01 meters. 1 centimeter will give you 0.01 meters. Also in a standard form, 10 to the power negative 2. Okay, so now we're going to divide. Now 1 gram per centimeter cube will give you the 1 gram here. Wait a second. Let me look for some pen. Okay. So the 1 gram here is what, as we converted earlier, gives us the 10 to the power negative 3 kilograms. That's for the numerator. Now the denominator, first we say centi is 10 to the power negative 2. So this is our centi. The centi, which is 10 power negative 2. And we keep the meters. Now note that here is both the centi and the meter, that is raised to the power 3. Okay, that is why over here we have our centi and meter here, and we raise both sides by power 3. Okay, so now we still keep the next step, we still keep the numerator there, and since we are raising this by the power 3, per the indices law, I'm sure you know all this. When you are raising an index by another index, you just multiply those, right? So 10 to the power negative 2 to the power 3, you just multiply the negative 2 and 3, and that gives us to the negative 6 here. Okay, so it becomes 10 power negative 6, and the meter, of course, will be affected by by the 3. So therefore, we have meter cube. All right. So let's try simplifying this. Using indices again, when you're dividing indices with the same base, in this case 10, you just keep it, you maintain it here, then you subtract the indices. In our case, the first one is negative 3 and negative 6. You subtract both sides, then this gives you this. So because the 6 is affected by another negative here, so we have 10 power 6 minus 3 kilograms per cubic meter, and when you evaluate that further, it gives you 10 power 3 kilograms per cubic meter. So 1 gram per centimeter cube will give you 10 to the power 3, or 10 to the power 3 kilograms per cubic meter. Or simply put, 1 gram per cm cube will give you 1000 kilograms per cubic meter. Okay, thank you very much. If you think I made any mistake, please feel free and put it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. See you. Bye.